All right, folks, we're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the Timber X. You're watching Fat Guy Flies RC, so go to Fat Guy Flies RC.
Yes, sir.
Now this is what's fun to do with this plane here. I talked about how them slats give you slow speed handling. Got a little bit of a wind out of the east, right?
Yeah, and you got half flaps?
I got full flaps.
Full flaps, okay.
Full flaps. If I had a little bit stronger of a wind, I could actually hold it still.
Yeah.
There you go.
There it is. There it is.
Right there. All right, I'll show you that stall. You're talking about your stall takeoff?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll show you that real quick. Come on over here, baby. All right. All right, wind is at my back.
Yeah.
All right, let's get her level straight with us. All right. Flaps are all the way down. I'm gonna give her full throttle. Watch this. She'll literally jump in the air.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What's that, 3 feet?
Yeah, and you could have hung in, you could have hung onto it.
Yeah.
Went straight.
Yeah, I would have gone straight up.
Yep. Wow.
Yeah, I'm less than half throttle right there. And no flaps right there. That's them slats. See?
That's just the plane.
Yeah.
I love that.
Nice flat turn there. Somewhat flat turn.
So the one that I have in the car is like this, but this is the one that does all the tricks.
It's only because the control surfaces are so big.
Right. Your flaps and your ailerons are
Are so big, right.
3.5 inches. Wow. Nice. And it's crazy to think that that's all wing.
It's all wing.
Changing that, because it's the same fuselage.
Yep.
Look at that. Those flaps are just making it float.
Yep.
Oh,
And those slats really help.
yeah.
A lot of people love to fly fast. I like to see how slow I can fly.
Yeah, because that's hard to do.
Yeah, because anybody can fly fast.
Yeah.
You know.
They go straighter when you go. I mean,
Exactly. But slow is where you're this is where you get your discipline. This is where you learn what the plane is doing through the transmitter. When you get to the point to where you can feel the plane through your transmitter,
yeah.
that's what you're looking for. When you get to that point, you don't need safe or stabilization anymore.
Right.
You want to feel that plane. All right, let's take our flaps off.
Oh man, it's a rocket.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
There's a knife edge for you.
Yeah. Yeah. That's so awesome.
And I taught myself everything, using safe as my tool. Finally got to where I didn't need safe anymore.
Yep.
That's just exactly what y'all are doing.
You hear that, buddy? That's what he started off with safe until he doesn't need it anymore. And now he doesn't need safe.
Yeah. If I put safe on, I'll probably crash a plane now.
Yeah, because you don't have the input anymore.
Right. I can't feel the plane anymore.
Right.
I'm not in control.
Then you won't feel connected anymore. It's kind of like your throttle finger having a Band-Aid on it.
Right. All right. She's got attitude.
Oh. Dang. That was awesome. What do you call that?
That was, I don't know. Well, it was going to be a, like that's a stall turn right there.
Okay.
A sloppy one.
Okay, that's cool.
Now I'll try to do a real stall turn.
1 minute.
Wow. That's so cool. Yeah. That is so cool. Oh
A
yeah.
lot of people neglect the rudder.
Yeah.
That rudder's that rudder makes it right there. That's all.
I feel like the rudder gives you the style, like the finesse of it.
Yeah. Rudder's not just for landing.
No.
All right, drop our flaps.
They forget about the rudder.
Rudder is, everybody gets aileron dependent.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
There.
Yeah.
Are you a happy bird? You're a happy bird.
Shake it. Well, we'll have to put that one. I'll share that one on Facebook. Cool.
Like I said, that's the Timber X. When the Timber Turbo came out, let me sign, folks, that was the Timber X right here with some good friends flying to the Avon Park Field. That was a Timber X. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.